YouTube? Thank you for clicking on this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a traffic source where you could get more brand awareness, you could get more whatever products you're promoting, your articles, etc. So you make your own luck, right? So I want to get started on this. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So the website I want to show you today is Webtalk, and I'm going to open this up for you. You're going to get rid of my image on the bottom there, and let me show you why I want to show you this. Because, and if my internet's working right, which seems like it's going okay, so webtalk.co. Webtalk. So this website gets monthly visits around 444,000 plus, right? And traffic, it seems to be coming from, you got Pakistan, United States, Venezuela, India, and Bangladesh. So you could get your stuff, your content, yourself on here. It's pretty simple. All you do is create excuse me, I can't talk right. Create an account. Very similar. It's kind of similar like to Facebook. You just go create an account and start building up your profile. So my profile, this is me right here. I'll show you what you could do here in a little bit. I just want to show you my profile, how I have it set up. It's not fully done yet. I don't have some things done in there, like my phone number, home address. You don't have to put any of that. But I got my email in there. I got I need to add my LinkedIn and Twitter and all these accounts. But I've been using this website quite often. My profile is 70% completed. And there is a referral program that they do have. So if you're doing affiliate marketing and you have a list or something, you can get your own link and share it with your list to let them know that here's another traffic source. So in my About Me right here, you put your information. I do have to update this. I got to put a different domain in there because I let go of my blog, and I'll make another video on that later on. But and then you put what you're interested in: your marketing, entrepreneurship, food, networking, growth, email marketing, languages. You can add your language here: English, Spanish, whatever language you prefer. Your education. So you just fill this out as if you were filling out a Facebook profile. And the way to use it is you're going to go to, here we go right here. You're going to go to create post. So you could put an article in here. You could put photos, videos, and I hope something, oh, it's bringing up some photos. So for this example, I actually want to copy this one. I want to come over here and paste it because I'm looking to share a lot of my content from my YouTube channel on these platforms. So I can either go over here to paste URL, YouTube, Vimeo. You can use these two right here. And when you're done, you could share it with Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and I do not know what this one is. So I want to be honest with you. I don't know what it is. So right here I'm going to put business opportunities, if I can spell right, for 2021 and beyond. So I'm going to post right here, and I actually I get traffic from here because I'm sharing my content. And I'm not sure exactly what just happened. Let's see, edit post. Maybe I have to just put it right here. Yeah, there it is right there. Update post. That's happened to me before when I used the video. So you could just put it up there And you could also use, let's go edit post again, because I forgot to add the hashtags. So business, make money online, hashtag marketing, and I'm going to use those for now. Now, any of you could do this. I mean, it's pretty simple. Copy paste, copy paste. Let's see right here for your content. Earn ad revenue. Share when the content you share gets engagement. Okay, so as you can see, it's right there. I put those hashtags, and there's a lot of people that come to this site to just to get more traction, to get more engagement for their content or whatever it may be. So they do got ads right here on the side. Not as much as Facebook. Facebook has I mean, you guys already know, it has a lot of ads. But another thing you're going to want to do while you're here, you're going to want to connect with people. So whatever people that are in your niche, or independent affiliate at Webtalk. So you could follow this person. Let's see, this is view more. There we go. It's going to open up a lot of people that you might be interested in what they're doing. So since it's reading that your interests are marketing, entrepreneurship, or whatever, your food, recipes, whatever you're interested in, they will bring up people who are interested in the same thing. So contractor, self-employed, networking, marketer at MLM Gateway. I made a video on this. I'll put it in the end. MLM Gateway. There's a lot of stuff you could do on that site too. I made a video. It'll pop up here in the end of this video. So I want to follow this person, and they're going to get notification that I want to follow them, that they got a new person following them. And share the revenue Webtalk. Let's follow this guy, and the list goes on. Everybody, you could just spend some time here, start following people. If they notice that you're following them, you have a lot more potential to get connected with them, and they'll follow you. That gets more content. That gets more eyes on your content, whether it's an article you've written, a video you've made, whatever it may be, because people are always looking another way to expand here on the internet and get more eyes on them to just to how could you say it, kind of like brand awareness, stuff like that. So there's a lot of other marketers on here. I mean, I could always pick up a little more knowledge from other marketers, and if they want to sell me something, if I'm interested in it, I'll probably buy. So I just wanted to make this video for you guys out there. I know it's been a while since I made another video. If you like this video, if you got anything out of it, please hit the like button. Get notifications by subscribing, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought about it. And I'm one guy. I do a lot of things. So I do a lot of things for one guy. So I'm going to do my best to keep really active on this channel. And I hope I can keep bringing you a lot more information out there, so you don't have to struggle and go through the hard stuff. That's why this website or this channel is Hustle to Struggle, right? HTS. Because I'm trying to make things easier for you out there. And as long as you go through the videos, get the training, take notes and apply it, then you can get more of your traffic out there as well. Targeted, maybe other traffic, just depending on what you're marketing out there. So thank you very much. You have a good day or good night. Bye.